The Redmi A4 5G features a segment-largest 6.88-inch, 120Hz display and a 50-megapixels dual camera. It also supports 18W fast charging and includes the charger in the box. This model is a bestseller in electronics, with a 4.0 out of 5 stars rating based on over 10,000 reviews. Over 5,000 units were bought in the past month. The Redmi A4 5G is available at a deal price of 8,799 rupees, which is a 27% discount off the MRP. No-cost EMI options are available, and Amazon Business users can save up to 15%. Key features include the Snapdragon 4's Gen 2 5G processor, a large 17.47 centimeters 120Hz display, and up to 8 GB of RAM with 4 GB of virtual RAM. It also features a fast side fingerprint sensor. The display offers a 120Hz refresh rate, 600 nits peak brightness, and a 240Hz touch sampling rate. It also has TUV triple certified eye care protection. For photography, the phone features a 50-megapixels dual camera for stunning details and a 5-megapixels front camera for clear selfies and video calls. Powering the device is a large-capacity 5,160 mAh battery for all-day use. It supports 18W fast charging, and a 33W inbox charger with USB Type-C is included. The phone offers expandable storage up to 1 TB via a dedicated micro SD slot. It runs on the latest Android 14 operating system and features a quick and secure side fingerprint unlock. Customers generally appreciate the phone's quality and value. Feedback on performance is mixed, and reviews for the camera and battery backup are also varied. User feedback on the camera is mixed. Some find the quality good, while others are disappointed. Battery backup also receives varied comments, with some praising it and others reporting faster drainage. There are reported connectivity issues, with 5G only working with a Geo SIM, not Airtel. Additionally, customers report significant performance lag after about 4 months of use.